Today we're in Southeast Lakeland, the beautiful established community of Christina, right over off of Highway 540A. I love the homes in here because every one is unique. You're not going to see any cookie cutter homes, any homes that look similar on the outside or inside. So let's take a look at this really nice 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, almost 3,000 square feet. It's got a massive pool also, and the owners have taken great care of it. Let's go take a look. As promised, let's take a look at 6318 Oak Square West. First of all, I want to give you the outside shot of this home. Look how beautiful the curb appeal is. Beautiful tree in the front yard. Landscape, very nice. The grass looks fantastic. Wonderful neighborhood location, Southeast Lakeland. Very quiet. It's a Monday, and it's just a really nice neighborhood. Know a lot about Christina. Every home, again, is different, and this one is no exception. It's just really nice. So I will note this. This is a side entry, a large 2-car garage. It's a little bit oversized. That's on the other side. So let me do this while we're outside just to kind of show you a little bit what I'm talking about. The HOA in here is only $200 a year. It's voluntary too. So very, not really highly deed restricted. But look at the additional parking here, and then the 2-car side entry garage. Really nice home. Let's take a look at the inside. The owners have been meticulous in their caring for this home. Some new landscaping. Come hang out on the front porch. Maybe not in August. Today's a little toasty, but there are a few months that you can do that here in Central Florida. All right, let's go in where the weather's good. All right. So I want to do a slow tour to give you an idea of how this floor plan works, but nice and open when you first walk in. Get that first impression. Separate living room, kitchen's been updated, and the flooring right here. Now this is ceramic tile. It's got that wood look. Love the color of this. Very neutral, and this is really like a dining area, but there's so many options in this home. A little over 2,900 square feet. I'm gonna give you a teaser, and we'll be going out here later, but there you go. Look at the size of this pool. It's a 40,000 gallon pool. Yeah, that's a party pool. It's huge. All right, so you're gonna see some updating, but also some of the original parts of the home. I love this. Look at the doors. I think it's really cool. All right, so let's do this. We're gonna do this a little backwards. We're gonna go this way. Nice big family room. Lots of natural light in here. And this home has granite countertops, real wood cabinets, beautiful cabinets. Look at this kitchen. Lots of countertops, or cabinets, I mean, and plenty of countertop. Something you don't see a lot, gas. You got a gas range here, which is really nice. And then this is a convection oven and a regular oven, plus a microwave. And again, some of the high-end things like this, the range hood. And you can overlook the pool with this view. Island, you can see we've got 4 bar stools up here, so you can pull up a bar stool and eat, and then more space here. And this is really going to be like a built-in desk office. You could make it a number of things. They're using it currently with some computers here. So let's start on the right-hand side of the home. And this is the primary suite area. Wait till you see the size of this bedroom and the other bedrooms. Now they put new carpet in here, but look at the size of this bedroom. It's huge. It's about as big as it looks on video too. It's huge, and the carpet looks really, really nice. Double windows. Now whenever they updated the pool area, this is pavers, real pavers. And so it's it's all screened, backyard's fully fenced. Let's go into the master bathroom area, and you're gonna see. Double sinks, granite countertops, same cabinets. Whenever the owner did the updating, it was a kitchen and this particular bathroom. It's got the tub here, and separate walk-in shower. Walk-in with a door, I should say. You can see that is a high-end shower right there, boy. We may have to drop a YouTube video on that, how to use it, but I'm sure it's got your basics too. So this is really great. And a walk-in closet. And of course, they're packing, getting ready to move. This has separate water heaters. So you've got one on this side of the home, one on the other side, along with air conditioning. It's a multi-unit, so there's two. Because again, it's almost 3,000 square feet. Let's make our way over to the other side of the home. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, plus again, you've got so many areas here you could do different things with. We're gonna come out there in a little bit. Now this is to the garage, okay? Your laundry is inside, which is nice on a home. That's a little more of an established neighborhood. So, and it's got built-ins, there's your other water heater. So let me show you this, let me back up. You're gonna have here an ensuite to this bedroom. This sliding pocket door can close off, so this can be an ensuite. Pool bath on the right, and then I'm gonna go to the back of the home too, to give me a little bit of a flow. So this bathroom does have the double sinks. This has the tub shower combination. A lot of this is original, but look at the condition it's in. It is in fantastic shape. They don't make tile like this anymore, like they used to, as the old saying goes. Look, even up on the ceiling, this stuff is solid. It is in great condition. So again, this is where you could make this really a great teenage suite. Could be an in-law. Big closet there, and there's your door to go right to that bathroom that I just showed you. So backing up here, this is really like the guest bathroom, I would call it. It is also the pool bath. It's got 2 sinks. What do you think about this lights? I think, the mirror started off. There's only 2, but I think these are pretty cool. What do you think? Drop a comment below. These lights, a little old fashioned, but look at the lighting they give off and the vibe for this house. It's incredible lighting. I think it's great. Even enough room to put some more storage, and this has the tub shower combination. And then the pool, or the door to the pool, toilet area. And this is gonna go French door into the pool area. Now, notice this. They brought carpet in some of the bedrooms, but this the tile, the ceramic tile, the wood look, comes back here and is gonna be for these other 2 bedrooms. So they brought that great for normal wear and tear. This bedroom has a little bit of an entranceway to it. Really nice, double window, so lots of natural light. And again, it's got some depth to it. Let's keep on going. This is a nice size closet too. This bedroom, huge. Look at the natural light with the massive sliding glass doors overlooking the pool area. Oh, this is a little bonus. You've seen this before. How many Tony Dungy fans do you have? I am a fan. Used to coach my world champion Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Gruden won it with Dungy's team. Let's just put that out there. He did. Dungy, what a great Christian guy. Walk-in closet, let me just show it to you. Again, they're moving, but this has got some good depth to it. Look, shelving. So they've got it packed, but let me tell you, it's a very practical closet. We're gonna head outside now to show you this a little bit more in detail. This kind of gives you an idea of the flow of the home. So a wonderful family home, large family, or have some guest suite to where people like to visit you in Florida. I'm telling you, buy a home in Florida, people will come see you. If you have it, they will come. All right, let's head out here. Now this is perfect for entertaining, for hanging out. It's very private back here, it's very quiet. First of all, look at this. We were talking about this earlier, this really cool design on this tile. And then this pool is fully screened. Pavers were updated. Look at this side, walk right in there, got your steps. Look at the size of this pool. It's almost time to jump in the pool on one of these videos, you guys. It's coming. Comment below if you think that's a jump in a pool. It's coming up soon. Not saying it's gonna be this one, but we're just around the corner. And here's your fully fenced yard. Again, nice and quiet. We can walk all the way around this pool. It's another way to get in and out. What are your thoughts? What are your favorite features of this home? What do you like best about it? This is not a cookie cutter production home, right? What do you think? Where do you see your family spending the most amount of time in this home? Drop a comment below. Hope you've enjoyed this tour. To see it more on a personal level, reach out to me. All my information is below. And my name is Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. Would love to connect with you, talk to you about your family's real estate needs. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me on this walkthrough tour. If you found value with this video, do me a favor, share it with your friends. Anybody who's looking for a gorgeous pool home in Lakeland, Florida. And I would love to connect with you. All my contact information is below. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more walkthrough videos just like this. Thanks so much. Have a great day. God bless.